Hello, Scott. As Wendy told you over the phone, we are a digital marketing agency and we're working with roofers all over the country, especially in Connecticut. We have operations in Connecticut. Wendy is located there also. And we were doing some research in your area when we came across your listing in Angie's List, and then we checked your website. We are doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online. And since I don't want to waste any more of your time or of mine, if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you bring on new customers, reach out to me. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics that I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. And starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content that is readable by the search engine. So let's see, for instance, here, this picture that you have, roofers in Bristol, Connecticut. There has been some utilization of the picture name here, which is right, and I'm very happy to see that. Content in your front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. If we look at your page count here, you have 1,249 words, which is not bad comparing to what we usually come across with, and but that doesn't mean that you can not improve it further. There are some tips that I have when I look at your website, but it's not something to be discussed here on this short video. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you need to make sure that you have a little bit more relevant keyword-rich content that is unique on your front page so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. Now, the second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And if we do a search here in Google about roofing contractors in Bristol, Connecticut, we can see that you are in the first place of the Google Map app. So that's great to see, and I'm sure that you are getting about 20% of your total calls just by being in this spot. And you are in this spot by utilizing citations, which are essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. And you don't need my second tip here because you're already ranking in the Google Map app. What we have to make sure and to search is whether you want to do the same in other areas too, because Bristol covers a certain area, and I don't know whether you are interested in exploring the opportunities for a GMB listing in other places too, like for instance here, because Bristol is right next to Hartford, so maybe you want to explore being listed in Hartford too, but it's something we can discuss at some point. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks, and backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps. And basically what a backlink is basically a website that is sending a link back to your page. By using a tool that we have here at the agency called Ahrefs, we are going to see all the different websites that are currently linking to you. And in order for you to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition is in, and then get into some places that they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. Ahrefs shows that your backlinks give you two keywords, which are bringing you approximately 0 people on average to your website each month. But if we take a look at some of your competition over here, this guy over here, we can see that this guy has got 7 referring domains, giving him 66 backlinks, and he's getting found for 25 keywords as a result that are bringing him 7 people on average to his website each month, which again is not much. I'm sure there are more keywords and more traffic out there to explore. But if we also click on his keywords over here, we can start picking those that are relevant to us and we would like to go after, because as I said earlier, in order to beat out your competition online, you just gotta rank for more keywords and in higher places like them. Like for instance, roofing West Hartford, Connecticut, there's a volume of 50 and a 0 keyword difficulty. And he's in position 20. We can definitely go after this keyword because we are nearby, we are in Bristol, West Hartford is close to us, so we can go and utilize that keyword for our purposes. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring you some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the tips that I've given you today, and just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and please let's get in touch, because there are some other things that I can see on your websites that you can improve, because you obviously have a new website here that you can definitely improve. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.